Hello everyone, myself Zeel Bhatt and welcome to my channel Zeel's Pharmacy Tutorial. And today we are going to study about generation of immune response. Immune response is produced when a pathogen enters into our body. It is engulfed by a macrophage. Macrophage ingest and process the antigen and display them on the cell wall. The cell which displays the fragments of antigen are known as antigen representing cell. The antigen is represented by the protein known as class II MCH protein. Antigen representing cell interacts with the helper T cell and recognizes the antigen. During the interaction, macrophage releases a chemical compound as an alarming signal which is known as interleukin 1. Interleukin 1 binds to the receptor present at the T helper cell. When interleukin 1 binds to the receptor at the T helper cell, it causes the stimulation of the chemical compound which is known as interleukin 2. Interleukin 2 causes the proliferation of cytotoxic T cell and B cell. From here, immune system follows two pathways. First is the cytotoxic T cell mediated pathway and the second is B cell mediated pathway. So first of all, let us study about cytotoxic T cell mediated pathway. In the cytotoxic T cell mediated pathway, a pathogen infects a cell. So this is a pathogen and this is the infected cells. The infected cell processes the pathogen and displays them on the cell wall. So now, cytotoxic T cell identifies the normal infected cells and binds to it and releases chemical compounds which kills the infected cell. So here ends the first pathway, that is cytotoxic T cell mediated pathway. Now let us study about the second pathway, that is B cell mediated pathway. In the B cell mediated pathway, B cell identifies and recognizes the antigen and gets activated when helper T cell binds to it. As the result of interaction between helper T cell and B cells differentiate into plasma cells. Plasma cells are considered to be the factories for the antibodies. Antibodies bound to the pathogens and mark them for the destruction by a macrophage. Thus, macrophage ingests pathogen and kills them. Now, here is one important thing to note about the acquired immune response. When the plasma cells produce antibodies, all the plasma cells do not produce antibodies. Some plasma cells gets converted into memory cell. This memory cell stays for decades, and as the result, the immune response against the same pathogen becomes stronger and faster. For written updates, visit my website www.zeelspharmacytutorial.wordpress.com. Thank you.